What's going on, you guys? This is Aaron from Departures Capital, and welcome to the video. In this video, we're introducing an exciting new company to the channel, and that company is called USHA Resources. Now, USHA Resources is a mining exploration company focused on 4 key metals: copper, nickel, lithium, and gold. As we know, these are very important metals within today's economy, electric vehicles, precious metals. So I'm excited to be talking about this company, and it's amazing at such a small market cap. It offers such broad exposure and diversity. So we're going to be going in depth in terms of their projects, talking all about them, and we will have their CEO on talking about all their projects and what's to come in later videos. So I'm really excited to bring you guys that. We will be working with the company for a while, so I'm excited to watch them advance these projects, and yeah, it should be great, guys. So also, for full disclosure details, this is a sponsored video. Always check the description down below for full disclosure details, along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer, and always remembering that these videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, I bring you USHA Resources. Don't forget to leave us a like if you do support the channel and all the videos that we put out, along with hitting that subscribe button and the bell for notifications for future videos. And drop us some comments down below. Let us know what your thoughts are on the company, their projects. All comments welcome, and let's get straight into this video. So the first thing I wanted to point out was the best place to find information on USHA Resources is in fact their website, USHAResources.com. So technical team includes Andrew Timms, who was a senior geo on the exploration team that took the Rainy River resource from 600,000 ounces to 6 million ounces of gold. Their flagship project is a lithium brine play in Nevada that is drill ready, aiming to deliver a resource in Q3 of this year. So that's in the very near future. There are lots of catalysts for this company, and we'll be talking about that later on in this video, along with in future interviews, like I said, with their CEO. Shareholders will also get a 20% share dividend into a new tightly structured nickel spinout. So now we're going to talk specifically about their projects, and we're going to talk first about their flagship asset, that is the Jackpot Lake Lithium Brine Project. So their flagship project is a Jackpot Lake Lithium Brine Project. The project is drill ready, with geophysics completed to confirm presence of a brine at depth in a closed basin, and it has great historical results with an average of 175 parts per million lithium across 129 core samples by USGS and a max of 550 parts per million. It's located in Nevada, the top mining jurisdiction in the world, with excellent road access as it is very close to the highway. They're working on permitting right now and hope to have drills turning in June. The plan is to deliver a lithium brine resource in Q3, which is just one more quarter away, so very near-term catalysts. Now let's talk about their Bat nickel project. So they also have a nickel project that they are spinning out into its own vehicle at a ratio of 5-to-1. So shareholders prior to the record date will get a 20% share dividend. The structure of the SpinCo will be similar to USHA, so 15 million shares or so out after completing the SpinCo financing, which USHA shareholders will also be invited to participate in. This project has a historical nickel resource of 5.3 million tons at 0.24%, similar grades to what you see at Canada's Nichols project, but also a 64-meter hole from surface with 1% plus nickel, including 10 meters of 2+% nickel that they are going to explore further as the next phase of work. So that's a very interesting project, and the fact that it's a spin out. So essentially you'll own 2 companies. Then they've got the Lost Basin Gold Copper project. So their third project is a gold copper project in northern Arizona that is adjacent to Gold Basin Resources. GBR is a Discovery Group company that includes Great Bear Resources in their portfolio that was just sold for $1.8 billion to Kinross. We all know the success story for Great Bear Resources. GBR has drilled 10,000 meters last year and will drill a further 10,000 meters this year. It has the same geology and historical grades, for example, 26 meters of 1.7 grams per ton gold that they see and have developed through their own high priority targets, including a vein structure that runs hundreds of meters with up to 45 grams per ton gold that they are going to be drilling this year. So guys, now that we took a look at the stock and we summed up the key points along with, some highlights when it comes to their projects, I just want to jump to their website to kind of do a little bit of an overview before we wrap this video up. This is a nice introduction. It gets us excited to talk to Deepak, their CEO, all about his vision with the company. I'm particularly excited about their flagship asset, the Lithium project, but it's nice to know that they have a little bit of diversity. So what is USHA's mission? So USHA is in the business of strategically negotiating and acquiring early stage battery and precious metal projects that require minimal startup costs. With prudent due diligence performed by our highly experienced and diversified board and technical team, we are able to take our priorities from an idea to a highly prospective project with immediate upside potential. We saw for the Jackpot Lithium project, Q3, they're looking to have a resource. So guys, now we're going to jump to the investor presentation just to take a closer look at the company and see if we missed anything. We did touch on the key points already. So investor presentation, Q2 of 2022. This is the most recent investor presentation. So Lithium mines and explorers in Nevada. Here we have USHA Resources, market cap of around 6 million, and the comparables. It's pretty easy to see that there's a lot of companies valued at many more times USHA's valuation. We will be interviewing their CEO, Deepak Varshney, who's an awesome guy, full of energy. I'm excited to bring you guys that video. So without getting into the fine details, here we have the information for Jackpot Lake. Feel free to pause this video at any point. The geophysics, development strategy. Then we have Nicobat, the spin-out summary. We've got all the fine details here, but we will talk about these projects more in depth in our interviews. And that's it, guys. So I look forward to bringing you the interview with Deepak. We're going to talk all about the projects, his vision for the company. This will be one of many videos that we will be creating for them, as we'll be covering this company for quite some time. And I'm really excited to see things play out because they've got a bunch of projects in some really awesome mining jurisdictions. The company's targeting some very important commodities, lithium primarily, as that is their flagship asset. And as we know, the electric vehicle market is very hot right now. Lithium is very much in demand. So I'm excited to see how things go. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Always remember, guys, do your own research and due diligence. These videos are not financial advice. With that being said, guys, we'll see you in our next video. If you like these videos, kindly hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you. And finally, always remember, Departures Capital is for information, education, and entertainment purposes only. Don't buy or sell a stock because you heard it on here. Buy or sell a stock because you've done your research, you've done your thorough due diligence, and you're making your own personal investment decisions for yourself. This video is not financial advice. Furthermore, this video may or may not have been sponsored by the companies that we've profiled within this video, and we may or may not own shares of any of the profiled companies in this video. If you want to know the full disclosure details, check the description down below along with thoroughly reading our disclaimer. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in our next video.